7 a.m. and I just upload first Vlogmas. See you today after my, I hope, short sleep. So peaceful and quiet. Welcome. I saw the girl influencers call this part of the year Vlogmas, so I don't. 1 hour and it's gonna be completely dark. I want to drive today to Kraków, see the Christmas market. Look at this beautiful weather, come on. Left car, golf here. Time to explore Kraków. I have my drone, can you guess? Here's the drone controller in my pocket. Back to my most beautiful town in Europe, in my opinion. Okay, I love Barcelona, that's my top one, but dude, we need to talk. No one's gonna remember you. Can you start filming in public, dude? Okay, I'm gonna fly my drone. Almost 1 year on filming and you're still shy. That's the castle. Drone shots were okay. That's the amazing park that just goes around the entire old town. I love running here in the summer. Finally Kraków, let's go. Let's check out Christmas market and film more in public. You should feel cringe a lot tonight, okay? Thank you. Christmas market, a lot of overpriced food and drinks. There's a lot of flares, so I need to man it. That's my favorite view in Kraków.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la.
By the way, if you're watching this later, Sunday, December for Kraków, Poland, hey.
Done we now our gay apparel. La 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 la.
Kraków, it's a really magical place. You should visit.
The ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la.
Found a lot of Christmas songs on the YouTube free library, so I'm gonna play them right now. Oh, dancing.
You ain't my son, you my motherfucking stepson.
I hope Polish people don't understand what this song says. That's the Christmas market from above. I found a pile of snow standing on everything for you.
We go laughing all the way, bells on bobtail ring, making spin.
The flares. That's I want to buy Sony camera. The flares.
It's bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle
I'm gonna look for a nice place and I can fly my drone and go home. It's so cold.
bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got
Drone shots. Wow. Alright, proper tripod camera. That's me in the future, maybe. I'm gonna stay forever with iPhone. I got comment that I should upgrade to iPhone 15. Trust me, I want to, but I don't know if it's pay extra for a little bit of quality.
got into a drifted bank and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells.
Okay, let's go home. Professional photographer with a drone, 2 camera.
Bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Enough with this beautiful Kraków. Let's go. Need to change my habits. In Portugal, Spain, everyone walks on the red light, but in Poland, you can get like a fine for this. Okay, bye Kraków. Now I only spent my money on this. Now I need to write that down. Time to add the money that I spent on the gas notes in the Vlogmas. Bruno, time to go home. Master chef, couple of sandwiches, ta-da. With this thing, it's my dessert. Cinnamon, oops, raspberry juice. Hey Bruno, can you be, I don't know, not that cute?